Hi, my name is Anna. My family is multicultural. I am bilingual and I'm raising my 3 children bilingual. I'm also a founder of a small board game publishing company called Terra Auris Bilingual Games. We create bilingual games and language learning aids for kids. Что это?
Сёма забрал мой слайм.
Ну, Саля, я сейчас делаю видео, я с ним разберусь, окей? Сейчас я закончу, разберусь с Сёмой. As I was saying, I am the author of the very first, very unique bilingual board game series actually, called Bilingual Bingo. These games are played in 2 languages and they're meant to improve bilingual children's ability to switch between languages. But they will also help build vocabulary and provide reading practice for novice language learners.
מתי את מסיימת? בואי נצא לרכיבה.
עזוב אותי בשקט, אני עסוקה. Anyways, okay. I'm very excited to introduce a new addition to our Bilingual Bingo family, Bilingual Bingo English Ukrainian.
Mamá, la casa está en llamas.
¿Qué?
No, es un chiste. Pero, ¿cuándo terminas? Tengo hambre.
Oh, 10 minutos.
Okay.
Without further ado, let me show you how bilinguals, language learners, and teachers use this game.